sneaky fox is always trying to swipe our stuff.
Sounds like Kyle's gonna swipe it, but we don't want him to.
What was that? That sounds like Fuzzo the Fuzzball. That sneaky fuzzball was always trying to swipe our stuff.
Whoa. What's that noise?
Oh no, I know that sound. That sounds like Swiper Puppy.
Swiper Puppy? Who's that?
She's a sneaky puppy who is always try to swipe our stuff. She'll try to swipe your first gold clue.
Our first gold clue? Oh no.
Oh, that's bad. Ha 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 ha. It's Swiper Puppy. She's coming. Oh no. It sounds like Swiper Puppy's back again. I think she'll try to swipe our last gold clue.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
We better watch out for Swiper the wolf.
Swiper will try to swipe the last wish. Then the Wizzo will be able to go home to his mommy and daddy.
No mommy, no daddy. Don't worry, Wizzo. We'll stop Swiper.
If you see Swiper, yell Swiper! You see Swiper? Where? Yeah, there he is! He's gonna try to swipe my backpack!
Remember, if you see Kyle, yell Kyle. You see Kyle? Where?
Yeah, there he is.
If you see Fuzzo the Fuzzball, yell Fuzzo. You see Fuzzo? Where? Yeah, there he is.
Will you help us watch out for Swiper Puppy? You will. Great. So, if you see Swiper Puppy, say, puppy. You see Swiper Puppy? Where?
Where is she? Right behind that house.
Ah, there she is.
Oh. Lets us know if you see Swiper Puppy. You see Swiper Puppy? Where? Right there.
I don't see her. Where is she now?
You see her? Right there.
Ah, there she is. Will you help me look out for her? Oh, thank you. Let's see. Do you see Swiper Puppy anywhere? You see her? Where? Behind the tree? Do you see her now? Okay, where? Right there. Ah.
We need your help to stop Swiper. If you see the wolf, yell Swiper. What's that? You see Swiper? Where? Right behind us?
We need your help to stop Swiper. We have to say Swiper, no swiping. Say it with us.
Help us stop him. Say, I know swiping with us.
We need your help to stop Fuzzo. We gotta say, Fuzzo, no swiping. Say it with us.
How do we stop her?
To stop Swiper Puppy, we have to say Puppy no swiping.
Will you say puppy no swiping with us? Oh good.
She's coming closer.
Quickly, say it with us. Park, all of us must say puppy no swiping to stop her. Say it with us.
Quickly, let's say Puppy no swiping together to stop her. Say it with me, okay? Okay, let's say.
Help us stop Swiper. You have to say Swiper no swiping. Say it with us.
Swiper, no swiping! Swiper, no swiping! Swiper, no swiping!
Kyle no swiping. Kyle no swiping. Kyle no swiping.
Fuzzo, no swiping. Fuzzo, no swiping. Fuzzo, no swiping.
Puppy no swiping. Puppy no swiping.
Puppy
No swiping.
Puppy no swiping.
Puppy no swiping. Puppy no swiping.
Puppy no swiping.
Puppy no swiping. Puppy no swiping.
Swiper, no swiping. Swiper, no swiping. Swiper, no swiping.
Dinosaurs, no eating! 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 Dinosaurs, no eating!
Oh, man!
Oh, man.
Oh, man!
Oh man. Oh man. Oh man.
I give up. You win. I'll never swipe anything from you again.
Oh man! Oh man! Oh man!